Greetings to all board members. I would like to start this presentation with a quote. As fragrance abides in a flower, as reflections in a mirror, so as non-financial factors in all business decision making. Today we are going to take our thoughts beyond money and profit and think about the non-financial impacts of closing Newcastle factory and moving to Melbourne. The objective of this presentation is to share some of the important non-financial factors such as customer, employees, suppliers, competitors, and legal aspects, which will guide the board to take informed decisions based on these factors. We all know that customer is the king in every business. It is important that we ensure that the needs and expectations of our customers are met. Our current situation of closing Newcastle factory has direct impacts on our customer. If we engage a local manufacturer to manufacture products, then there is a significant risk where our customers may receive lower quality products. On the other hand, if we choose to service Newcastle customers from Melbourne, then there is a potential risk that the lead time for delivering the product to them will increase. This risk can lead to dissatisfied customers and possibly a loss of future business. It is not only customers who would be affected, but also our employees, who are our internal customers, would also be greatly affected by this change. Primarily closing the factory will lead to loss of jobs, leading to increase in depression and social detachment. Financial settlements to our employees won't alone satisfy their career needs and future aspirations. This impact on Newcastle employees will have resonance effect on Melbourne employees too, where they may lose motivation and engagement in work and possibly lose trust in the organization. Some employees may think manager's bonus may have driven this decision. Now that we have talked about customers and employees, we all know that suppliers are the backbone of our business. Timely delivery of materials is vital for production. If we choose to use the same supplier after moving to Melbourne, then there will be a significant change in all supplier related processes, such as delivery, inspection, logistics, and storage. Considerable resource and time would be required to develop, change, and adapt to a new process. This change is a huge risk to the mutual understanding of our supply relationship and possibly an increase in cost. If we choose to use new suppliers in Melbourne, then it is likely that we will lose quality suppliers who service us in Newcastle. This will in turn affect our reputation among suppliers and also can lead to dissatisfied suppliers. Today's fast-growing industry demands more competition in market. It's like a chess game. One wrong move can give enough opportunity for your opponent to win. Closing the Newcastle factory and either servicing the customer from Melbourne or not will give our competitors the chance to grab the local market. Royalty comes with a price. When we share the design to local manufacturer to service our Newcastle customers, we are giving the manufacturer an opportunity to understand our product design, production process, and customer relationship. This gives the manufacturer a chance to re-engineer our products and possibly build a more innovative product. The next one and the last non-financial factor is legal constraints. We are all aware that GLX is under attack from a local sustainability group in Newcastle that is acting as a negative stakeholder. The group is concerned about the untreated waste discharge. If we continue to operate in Newcastle, then there is a significant legal impact, possibly heavy fines and loss of reputation. We should also look into our current process in Melbourne and see if there is a similar risk. It is evident from this presentation that each alternative has its own impacts such as loss of customers, dissatisfied suppliers, loss of jobs, loss of morale in employees, and risk of competitors taking advantage. So what to do next? Based on these non-financial perspectives, the recommendation to the board is to continue to operate the Newcastle factory, investigate waste discharge process and develop and implement a proper sustainable waste discharge system, build customer relationships and attract more business, empower employees to generate more sales. I'm sure that this presentation will guide the board to take informed decisions with regards to closing Newcastle factory. One of the hardest decisions you will ever face in life is choosing whether to walk away or try harder. With this beautiful quote, thanks for the board for their time.